When it is obvious that the goals cannot be reached, don't adjust the goals, adjust the action steps. If you set goals and go after them with all the determination you can master, your gifts will take you places that will amaze you. No matter how many goals you have achieved, you must set your sight on higher one. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Build your own dreams, or someone else will hire you to build theirs. It's the pain and failure that teaches you the best lesson in life and motivates you to rebuild yourself and stand again with a robust faith. In life, you make the small decision with your head and the big decision with your heart. You cannot solve problems with the kind of thinking we employed when we came up with them. Learn as if you will live forever. Live like you will die tomorrow. Stay away from those people who try to disparage your ambitions. Small minds will always do that, but great minds will give you a feeling that you can become great too. When you give joy to other people, you get more joy in return. You should give a good thought to the happiness that you can give out. When you change your thoughts, remember to also change your world. It is only when you take chances that our lives improve. The initial and the most difficult risk we need to take is to become honest. Nature has given us all the pieces required to achieve exceptional wellness and health, but has left it to us to put those pieces together. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. It's better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitation. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. From failures, discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. Nothing in the world can take the place of persistence. Talent will not. Nothing is more common than unsuccessful man with talent. Genius will not. Unrewarded genius is almost a proverb. Education will not. The world is full of educated derelicts. The slogan "Press on" has solved and always will solve the problems of the human race.